Welcome back to my video. This is your coach, Mr. Magno. My apprentices, today the objective is to find, let's write the objective here. The objective is to find the fraction of a measurement. Okay, and the measurement can be in standard form or it can be in metric form, metric form. Okay, let's look at a problem. Now, to understand these problems, remember that these 3/4 year, that means that is 3/4 of a year, which means that you have to multiply it. So that I'm just gonna leave that for reference right there. So you understand that what this is saying is 3/4 of a year. So you have to multiply those two. So you create a multiplication. What is, excuse me, three, let me use my symbols tool, and this is 3/4 multiplied by a year, which that will be 1 year. Now, remember, we have to convert the year into months because that is the goal of this activity. We have to convert the 3/4 of the year into months. Now, for that, it will be crucial to know, and this is, if you don't know it, use resources like Google or your agenda that has this information for, you can use it as a reference. So remember, 1 year, let me use my text tool, that will be, makes it look a little more elegant. So 1 year equals how many months? 12 months. So that's crucial information to help you with this problem. All right, now let's do that. So we're now going to change that multiplication into the same 3/4 multiplied, again, multiplied by not 1. Okay, let me place the symbol here. Multiplied by, and we're going to convert 1 year. How many months is in 1 year? 12 months. Okay, so that is going to be the next step. That will be step number 1 here. And step number 2 is convert the 1 year into 12 months. So that will be step number 2. And now step number 3 is going to be, we're going to do the actual multiplication. Is 3/4 times, let me insert the symbol that represents multiplication, and that will be 12 months. And let me write this a little differently. Let me do this. Okay, so I'm going to write it in this manner, and I think you've seen this way of writing it before. So that will be the way we write it, and we are going to now equal it. And before we move on, I want you to pay attention. Let's make this simpler. The 4 can be divided by 2, or can also be divided by 4. And so I'm going to dare to say that 4 can be divided by 4. And I'm going to look up on the numerators, and I know that the 3 cannot be divided by 4. But I know that 12 can be divided by 4. So I'm going to rewrite this expression with those numbers reduced to their lowest term. So let's do this. So the 3 stays intact because why? Because it's not being divided by anything. Okay, so we're gonna actually use it at the end. So it's gonna be, let me select that. Okay, that will be 3 times 12, right? But now we're going to take care of this division. What is 12 divided by 4? The answer will be 3, my friends, 3. And now we're going to take care of the bottom division, which is 4 divided by 4, and the answer is 1. And notice how that simplifies the way we solve this problem. What is 3 times 3? That will equal 9 over 1. And any number, here's a law of mathematics, any number divided by 1 equals the same number. Okay, so what is, now here's where you write the answer. So this will be step number 3, step number 3. Step number 4 is going to be to write the answer the way it should be written. So 3/4 of a year equals how many months? 9 months. Let me spell that correctly. There we go. Months, not months, months. So as you can see, we were able to find the answer for this problem. And here is the answer. And those are months. Remember how we follow the steps. Watch the video again if you need to. Signing out, your coach, Mr. Magno. Use your thinking, use your resources, and I know you got this.